What's up, guys? I am heading to the gym again. Well, every day. I am not gonna spill it this time. Nope, not today. What's up, guys, and welcome to vlog number 2. Today I'm actually heading to the shop again. I don't know if you remember on my previous video, on my first vlog actually, I mentioned how the O2 sensor is hanging underneath my car. I'm actually on the way to the shop now, and I called the guys and I was just like, yo, there's this cable underneath my car that's dragging. I could hear it when I'm driving. It's gotta be the O2 sensor. But they did tell me, just bring it in. We'll put it up on the lift. From the way the sensors are hanging, it looks like everything's still intact and everything's still attached. 5 minutes in and out of the shop and we're out. By the way, a lot of you guys are asking me, how does the exhaust sound while driving? CORSA actually prides itself and they advertise themselves as like a company that makes exhausts that are loud but without any drones. Here's an example. The car is in normal mode right now, and this is me cruising at around 40 miles an hour. The windows are closed, it's fine. If you put it on track, you could hear it a little bit, but it's not as annoying, you know what I mean? Now we're in track at 40 miles an hour. Nothing. Here's quiet mode at 40 miles an hour. You're ruining my video! This black view camera, like, always interrupts me when I'm trying to make a video. But that's pretty cool too, that's pretty cool. Anyway, the CORSA Extremes, they don't really get ridiculous loud until you push it to about 2,500 or 3,000 RPMs. That's when things go crazy. Come on, let's go. See, that was just 2,500 and I was barely hitting it. Finally here at the shop, and I realized that my battery is dying. My camera actually ran out of battery, and I'm filming this on my iPhone. So hopefully the video, the color grading and whatnot matches. But they did manage to fix it. There was nothing wrong with it. I guess when I took it to the drag strip, because the roads there were really bad, and entering the strip itself is like straight out of Superman's like in the movie, right? Like, you know, he lives like in a cornfield. It was like that. Like, it was all dirt and dust. So my guess is, since my car is really low, it might have scraped along the way. Every time you go to Island Dragway, there's like a little bridge that you have to cross, and there's a little dip that just scratches underneath of your car. It must have gotten caught there, and on the way home I probably didn't notice it. But I'm glad it's fixed. It's not broken. It didn't snap off. Nothing happened. So everything's chill now. I'm actually in the gym parking lot, and I'm about to work out now. I'm gonna go down. We'll take a peek underneath the car, and I'm gonna work out. So there it is. As you can see, everything is good. Nothing's hanging off. They told me that they zip tied it and everything should be secured. And yeah, just walk away, bro. So that's it for me, guys. Just finished back day, 10 by 10s, whatever, doesn't really matter. That's it for vlog number 2, guys. As always, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more. And that's it for Ken.